Hello everyone, welcome back to another video talking geeky stuff. Another unboxing, and yes, I know, if you follow my videos, this is my 5th smartwatch, and today I got the Xiaomi S3. Here you go, Xiaomi S3. It was on sale, including the yellow strap and watch bezel. This has a pretty unique feature. I actually wanted to get one more. It's that kind of faded green, but it's sold out, so I'll probably get that later on. This altogether, it was a big sale, plus I had £15 voucher. It comes to £131, give or take, on the official Xiaomi shop website and everything like that, so definitely check it out. I also got the Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro. You check out my other video, plug my videos, please check them. And the last one I had was I'll show you. My last watch was on a Magic Watch 3. By the way, today's the 10 days. I still got about 20% battery life. This is amazing. I'm going to update this on the video. And I said 4 watches. Why? Well, I said the 4 weeks in a month, once a week, right? And I got a 5th one. So my excuse is I got 5 fingers. Well, thumb and a 4 fingers, so excuses. But at the same time, I just enjoy collecting things. I know. Anyway, we're gonna put these two over here. The unboxes. Yeah, man, look at that. Terrible. My cutting skills ain't that good. I probably need one of those surgical knives. Okay, just like the other Xiaomi Watch Pro, nice rectangle. Unlike the other ones, it comes like a square box. Tell me what you prefer, the square box or the rectangle box. Okay, I got the kind of silver white one, because why not? I got the blue one, the black one, and so this is it. Wow, pretty cool. Only just before that, let's open, see what's inside the box. Usual stuff. Sorry about it, you might hear my chair is a bit squeaky. Paperwork and charger. I won't take this because if I'm correct, this is the same charger as a Xiaomi Watch Pro, so I don't need to do that. Just keep that in. Have a backup charger. Cool. Let's check out the watch itself. Nice silicon white, well, light silver grey. So under the certain lighting, it does look a bit white. Let's check out. I like this really cool rim. Let's open it out. Cool. And that's a back as well. Excellent. So let's go into the specs. This is product dimensions 47mm times 47mm, 12mm here, weighs 44 grams. The strap here is 21mm. You can just undo that. Display is 1.43 AMOLED display. This resolution is 466 times 466, 326 ppi. Battery is 486 milliamp. Waterproof. You can survive 5 atmospheres, which translates into 50 meters. It uses the Xiaomi's OS, which is good thing is I don't need to install it because I already installed it. Just need to add it on because I got the Pro 2. Let's just put this here. Now let's going to do the straps. All right then. Let's just peel this off. Lucky I got nails. One of the reasons why I keep my nails a bit long, so it's much easier to take the sellotape off. Put that away. Alright then. Okay, so it's kind of stuck. Oh yeah, you just got to pull that flap. Leather, nice yellow. Like I said, I wanted to get the green one, or the faded green one, so I'll probably pick that up as well later on. And maybe the rainbow black one as well, if you know what I mean, if you've seen the videos out there. This is supposed to have up to 2 weeks battery life, which is good because my Huawei, I posted it, survived 11 days. The Honor, 10 days so far. Let's hope this one does what it says. Like I said, if it does 10, 11 days, whatever, I will update that in the description Okay then, so this is the bezel. Just like some YouTubers, they say that if you put the bezel on, it changes the face. It comes with a default face, which I would love to see. Whoops. Let me just open that up. Wow. There you go. So you can actually have multiple colors, and then change the rim or the circle a bit, and almost becomes like a new watch. Yeah. So what it does, actually first time you got, oh, is it counterclockwise or clockwise? Let's have a look. Oh, it's counterclockwise. Then you open it up. There's a snap there. Your orange right there. You place it on, and you hear that click. It clicks back in. All right then. What I'm gonna do, I get back to everyone in a few minutes, hopefully, because it shouldn't be an hour because I've already got the app on my phone. Get this up and running and check out the UI. Probably going to be the same, still using the same UI, HyperOS. It feels great. It actually really feels quite good. I love it. Like I said, I've always preferred circular watches. I can't stand square watches. And I always said this, I think a man should have a big watch. I understand, I got a small wrist, so having big watches, you get noticed, which is pretty cool. So let me get this set up and see how the UI, and probably going to be the same as the Watch 2 Pro, and then I'm going to put these on and see the interchange here. Anyway, I get back with everyone as soon as possible. See you later. Well, I'm back. So that was a bit of a fiddle because even though I got the app on my phone and adding a device and so on, it didn't pair. So I had to kind of like unpair my Watch 2 Pro and added this on. And the funny thing is, I forgot my my password. I got so much I forgot, so I had to create a new account. Can you believe it? And then I got it back and working. So I got this synced up finally. Took a bit of time, and for some bizarre reason, by unpairing the Pro 2, the Watch 2, I can't pair it. So I'll probably, when I finish this video, I'll try and pair that. But for the time being, I did finally get to pair this, and yeah. So if you see my other videos, you will know that it's still the same UI. Got a health app, usual stuff here. Pretty cool. It's actually got quite a lot of stuff compared to, say, my Huawei and OnePlus, and even Honor as well. Workout, usual stuff. I don't use it for workout. Like I said, couldn't care less about that. Like I said, on my other videos, I got this walking app on my phone, which is a really good, precise walking app. Here you go, a lot more app. You can actually, quite a lot of stuff here. There you go. You can go into all these kind of cool stuff here, like Xiaomi Play Music. You can go in and check your vitalities, blood pressure, oxygen, sleep, and so on. And to be honest, the first one I used was the OnePlus Watch 2 because I got that first and I set it up, and I use that to monitor my sleeping pattern if I'm having a hard time sleeping. But majority of the time I just use watches just for watches, really. There you go. Anyway, this is it. It looks pretty good, and my God, I actually tried to take this off. Pretty fiddly. I mean, the YouTube video make it look pretty simple. Clip it on, and my eyesight's not getting any better. Oh, those clips are tough. Yeah, and usual stuff. You go here. You got all the little things like swiping from left to right. Then you got this is the watch face that comes with the silver. You press the top one, it takes you to the settings, the menus and all the apps here. I probably won't add or change, I'll just leave it like this. Settings here, you got watch faces, earphones. I put on no vibration, custom. I put it on custom, so I put it halfway brightness. Whoops, halfway brightness, and it can say it's 2 weeks, 15 days. Raise to wake. Put it on double tap if I want to cover to sleep. Always display on smart. Yeah, so that's that. What I'm gonna do, let me just put the yellow watch face. Apparently, well, on the YouTube feed, you take it off, it should automatic defaults at the yellow one. So what I'm gonna do now, put it on. Oops. You see the orange bit? If you can see it, you possibly match it with this orange bit there. Clip it on, and then here you go. It gives you a automatically change. That's pretty good. It's not bad. I think the default one for the silver one looks better. I'll probably change this. Yeah. So I'm gonna do. I actually tried taking these off. These are easy taking off. Look, it's so easy taking off. Right, you just clip it, and it's here. You just clip it, and it goes off. Okay, so that's the easy part. Clipping it back on, it's pretty tough. So it took me a bit of time. My eyesight is getting poor. So I use my finger to push this down to go in, and it goes in, and then you just got to slide it in the right place and release it, and here you go. Oh my god, that was actually easier than the first try. Let me try this one. Let's see how easy it was. Okay, taking off is easy. So what I'm doing is just gonna swap it over this way. Let's hope it's easier as the first time, because my god, I did it off screen. It took a bit of time. Like I said, use your finger, push the pin down as far as you can into the little hole there, and then whoops, so that's what I mean. It's not the easiest. I might have to do this off screen, but let's give it another go. Man, all YouTube guys make it look easy, and I suppose the power of editing, right? Okay, let's give it one more shot. If not, have to just get back to you all off screen. Hey, almost. One more try, almost. It's so fiddly, and like I said, my eyesight is not getting the best. Come on. Oops. You know what? I'd be damned if I don't do this on screen. Push it in. My god, I'll probably break the pin before I get it working. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I'm panicking. Come on, you guys. You know what it's like when you're almost done it. And then, hey! Yep, did it. A lot easier than the first time around. So the yellow one actually looked pretty good, doesn't it? So I'm gonna see if I can buy the green one. You know, the faded green one that looks really cool. So unfortunately, I was out of stock. So there you go. I suppose the strap just takes a bit of time getting used to. It's a lot easier the second time around. Yeah, so all in all is that. So what I'm gonna do, let me just get this is my Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro. You can see very similar in size, similar in thickness, but of course this one not only has the 2 buttons, but it's also the little rotation thing, which is pretty cool. There you go. Not bad at all. Anyway, let me know what you think. Any questions, let me know. I try to answer them. Yeah, I'm not sponsored by any of them. No one here, all on my own money. So if you'd love to sponsor, just give us a like, subscribe if you can. That'd be great. Thank you very much in advance. And till next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. And please do stay safe. Goodbye now.